Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today, we're diving into the world of microwave cooking with a simple and delicious recipe for baked potatoes. If you're craving that fluffy interior and crispy skin but don't have the time to wait for the oven, this microwave baked potato recipe is perfect for you. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this quick and easy microwave baked potato recipe. Potatoes, olive oil, salt, and your favorite toppings. But feel free to get creative with your choices. Start by scrubbing your potatoes clean under running water. Once they're nice and clean, pat them dry with a paper towel. Now, take a fork and poke a few holes into each potato. This allows steam to escape during cooking, preventing any potato explosions in the microwave. Next, brush each potato with olive oil and sprinkle them generously with salt. The oil will help crisp up the skin, and the salt enhances the flavor. If you have any favorite herbs or spices, feel free to add them for an extra kick. Place the potatoes on a microwave-safe plate, making sure to leave some space between each one. Pop them into the microwave, and let's cook them on high for about 10 minutes. Remember, cooking times may vary depending on your microwave's wattage, so keep an eye on them. After the initial 10 minutes, carefully flip the potatoes to ensure even cooking. You can also rotate them for more uniform results. Then, pop them back into the microwave for another 5-7 minutes, or until they're fork tender. Once your microwave-baked potatoes are done, be cautious when handling them, they'll be hot. Now, it's time for the fun part, adding your favorite toppings. But the sky's the limit. Sour cream, chives, cheese, bacon. Go crazy. Alright, moment of truth. Let's cut into these potatoes and see how we did. Look at that fluffy interior and crispy skin. These microwave-baked potatoes are an absolute game changer when you're short on time, but still craving that classic baked potato goodness. And there you have it, a quick and easy recipe for microwave-baked potatoes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.